Welcome everyone to HFN. Today's December 26, 2019, where we trade different and as well your trusted source of news according to the price chart. We're going to give you all an update on XRP, and as well we're going to look at this article that just came out yesterday from the Daily Hollow talking about how IBM may be actually under the radar working with Ripple and XRP for their banking protocol that they are trying to create. Again, if this is your first time watching our video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and then on our website at HueFinancial.com to make sure that you're updated on the price forecast, price movement that we are seeing on a daily basis. So now, this article came out yesterday with the notion, is IBM really working with Ripple and XRP under the radar? That, of course, will cause a lot of speculation, a lot of hype around IBM utilizing XRP. For many of the XRP hodlers out there, they would definitely grab hold of this type of news and expect the market in XRP to see massive price increases to the upside. But as always the case, and what we try to emphasize here on this channel, is that the market moves freely and it is literally placed on the price chart as to what it is trying to do without utilizing speculation from articles and even on videos. Okay. So now there is an architect who works for IBM Solutions that goes by the name of Viral Shah, who is based in Mumbai, appears to be working on a proof of concept that utilizes Ripplenet. Okay, for those of you who are not tuned in with XRP and Ripple, Ripplenet is the protocol that utilizes XRP to transact fiat currencies from one currency to the next. Now, according to his profile, okay, this is on LinkedIn, performing POC, which is proof of concept on Ripplenet blockchain implementation for bank, interacting with various team and clients to gather information and drive various solutions. Keep that in mind, that word various. Okay. Now, if you didn't know, IBM has an active partnership with a different blockchain, which goes by the name of Stellar. Now, Stellar is pretty much identical to XRP in terms of trying to solve the problem of transacting fiat currencies from one currency to a next. That is exactly what Stellar is doing as well. Now, both of those companies are developing a payment system called WorldWire, which uses the Stellar protocol to power cross-border remittances. Okay, so pretty much Stellar is the same thing as XRP. IBM has already created a partnership with Stellar, so it makes you wonder how this article can grab a profile from LinkedIn and try to tie IBM with Ripple. They're literally grabbing straws to try to hype up XRP in a sense. Now, back in February of this year, IBM's former head of blockchain, Jesse Ludd, said that the company's Stellar-based payments initiative could potentially team up with Ripple and settle transactions in XRP. Don't forget that word that I just talked about earlier, various. Okay. And I quote, this is what Jesse says: participants on the network should be able to choose and negotiate their choices in real time. And the pricing might be different depending on the settlement instrument you use. So I think with Ripple, they're looking at XRP as their primary digital asset for settlement. For us, it could be Lumens, it could be Ripple, it could even be XRP. Now, I think he doesn't realize that Ripple is the company and XRP is the actual token. It could be Bitcoin, but it would also probably include other instruments like stable coins and even eventually, hopefully, central bank digital currencies. So what IBM is trying to create is a protocol or a network that utilizes multiple cryptocurrencies, not just XRP by itself, not just Stellar, not just central bank digital currencies, and even Bitcoin. It depends on the end user and how they want to receive or transact with those bank remittances. So, could that be the reason why XRP is not reacting to this type of news that came out yesterday? According to that LinkedIn profile, Shah also works on Yono, which is a digital bank app from the State Bank of India. Now, the app is designed to give people an easy way to pay their bills and shop online. I thought India was trying to ban cryptocurrencies. So I guess you might know that under the radar in India, they may actually be trying to create a cryptocurrency that works on Yono. So when you come across these articles, it has been our main focus to show you that the market does not move on news. Okay. It is on supply and demand and some other couple of rules that the market uses in order to move where it wants. That's why we're not seeing the market react to this type of news right here, because this tweet came out December the 21st, 2019. And here we are on the 26th, and the market in XRP literally is just consolidating. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to talk about the price movement in XRP according to the price chart and update you first of all on our last video, which was on the 21st of December with the expectation into the market of XRP moving higher. You can tell right here on our daily time frame that the market in XRP came towards the top portion of our price target at that 4.10% profit right here on the 23rd of December. So again, even more information and proof that you could also grab that 4.10% out the market prior to the movement lower. So now what we're going to do, we're going to get rid of that. And we're going to talk about what we're noticing in the market in XRP. Now, from a daily perspective, nothing is going on. The market in XRP is literally just consolidating. We're not seeing any price action that would indicate that this market in XRP is going to see some higher prices. Not yet. Okay. Now, with the volume diminishing each day that we continue to go out and trading, indicates that the market may actually be finding a pretty good area of support to where the market is not being induced to move to the downside in price. Okay. Looking at XRP on the weekly time frame real quick, you can see already that the market in XRP is still giving us some indication of weakness. Even though we're here on Thursday, the market is still indicating that 20 cents is that area of support, seeing how the week of the 25th of November and the current weekly price bar that we're on, the market is not breaking above 20 cents. Now, we saw that occur. That would be a very positive sign into the market in XRP to continue to see higher prices. But we're not. Another look at XRP on the monthly time frame. Again, we don't see a lot of strength being utilized and seen on the monthly price chart. So again, that's even more confirmation that this overall space in XRP is not that strong. Okay. Now I want to show you on the 4-hour chart the market in XRP. Okay. Like I stated, the market overall is still pretty much consolidating, but we're finding areas to where XRP is not trying to fall below, and is right here at point almost around 18.5 cents is where that market in XRP is not trying to fall below, and which is a very positive thing. You can also tell how the market in XRP is vying for higher prices. Now it might be minimal, especially on the 4-hour time frame. It might hit 19.5 cents, and that's about it. But nothing too much that we're seeing on the hourly time frame that would indicate a bigger move higher than that. Okay. But overall, I do see some strength coming in on the hourly time frame. So we're going to have to play the market in XRP on the hourly time frame with expectation of it moving higher. So we're going to play this on the 4-hour chart in XRP of the market moving higher. Okay. Now, like I stated, we're going to hold that 18.5 cents area for support, which gives us about 3.1% loss if the market was to break below that. And we would TP the market in XRP at 19.5 cents because that was the previous area of resistance. So that would give us about 2.13% market profit on the advent that XRP can actually hit that particular level. Okay, so this is just simply our updated price prediction for XRP. We're looking forward to move higher. We got TP at 19.5 cents, but again, given the cryptocurrency space and the volatility, it can move a lot higher than that, which is why we're giving you about 20 cents, which would be the next resistance area in this space. So questions, comments, as always, Let us know about your thoughts about IBM working with various solutions for their bank remittances program or protocol called WarWire. And do you think XRP is going to benefit from IBM utilizing their cryptocurrency? And then tell us what you think about XRP and its price movement. Let us know with a comment in the comment section of this video. And as always, make sure you always maintain your profitability. And I'll see you on the next one.